This product works best for potholes but is not ideal for cracks, which require specially formulated crack fillers. For pothole repair, use a cold patch or hot mix depending on availability and traffic demands. Clean the area of loose debris and water, square the edges with a shovel so the repair material can bond, and compact in layers of no more than 2 inches using a hand tamper or vibratory plate for best density. For deeper repairs, fill into 2/3, compact, then top off and compact again so the surface does not settle. If using a cold patch, avoid applying it under wet conditions and try to place material slightly over grade to allow for final compaction by traffic. For hot mix work, coordinate with a paving crew and apply immediately because temperature affects workability. When addressing freeze and thaw regions, select a material with polymer modification and ensure base stabilization by removing contaminated subbase and replacing with crushed aggregate if it moves under load. For temporary emergency fixes in low traffic areas, a well-compacted cold patch can last months, but plan permanent repairs with proper edge cutting, tack coat, and an asphalt overlay when possible. Always follow manufacturer temperature and curing guidance and wear protective gloves and eye protection. Common mistakes include trying to fill cracks with a cold patch meant for potholes, which will not adhere in thin joints and can ravel. Use a hot pour crack sealant or cold pour crack filler and backer rod for wide cracks. Another error is failing to compact in thin lifts, which causes quick settlement. Compact each layer fully and do not exceed 2 inches per lift when using hand tamping. A third issue is leaving pothole edges irregular so new material cannot form a tight bond. Square the perimeter and remove loose material before placing repair material. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for asphalt and pavement work and offers a discussion community where users share real experiences and tips about repairs. We also help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners looking for services and providing a forum to build reputation and answer questions.